Oh guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to split screen on CapCut. You can do this on your phone too. It's basically the same. So what you need to do is drag both of the videos to your timeline. After that, you want to drag the second video on top of your first one. And like that, you will get overlay. On your mobile phone, you will need to click overlay. Now you want to make sure that both of your videos are the same length. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the second one. And now you have two videos, and they are both the same length. Now you want to choose the second video right there. And from here, you want to choose video and mask. Then you're going to press add mask and you want to choose split. And like that, as you can see, you can move the video, move the split. So for example, let's make it like so. And now you will have your split video. You can also go ahead and rotate it, and it will look like this. Just like that, with the mask split option, you can have a split screen. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, comment down below, and I will see you next time.